In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform descriptive statistics in Microsoft Excel. So to perform descriptive statistics on your dataset, first you have to activate the Analysis Toolpak. To activate the Analysis Toolpak, first you have to go under the File tab, under that Options. In the Options, you have to go Add Scene. In the Add Scene, under the Manage option, make sure that Excel Adds In is selected, then go. This will open up a new window. Under that you have to select Analysis Toolpak. So I have selected Analysis Toolpak, then OK. So if you check under the tab of data, there is a new option called Data Analysis. Now let's perform descriptive statistics on our data. So to do that, first select Data Analysis, then there you have been given various analysis tools. From that, choose the descriptive statistics, then OK. This will give you the one new window where you have to select various options. So input range is nothing but our data set. So I will click this one and I will select the complete data set with label. Now since I have selected the label, I will select this one, label in first row. Our data is grouped in column, so I will select column. Now I want the output in a new worksheet, so I will select that one. If you want the output in a new workbook, you have to select that one and click the summary statistics, then OK. So this will give you a new worksheet where you will get your descriptive statistics result for the dataset 1. As we can see, it gives the mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum value, maximum value, sum, and count. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.